Hallucinations aren't always a sign of madness. Rosalie, an elderly blind woman, saw animals and people in stunning detail despite her complete blindness. This is Charles Bonnet Syndrome, where the brain fills the absence of visual input with images from memory. The same happens with hearing loss, where people hallucinate entire orchestras. Your brain constructs your reality from incomplete information, constantly filling in gaps. Right now, you have a blind spot in your eye you never notice. LSD causes hallucinations across all senses by disrupting how your brain integrates sensory information through serotonin receptors. Hallucinations reveal how your mind creates the world you perceive, making each person's reality uniquely subjective.